Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a spicy fava bean recipe. I got 2 pounds of fava beans here, and then I already trimmed the top and the bottom off. So 2 pounds, and the ingredient gonna go with this is the I got 10 cloves of chopped up garlic, chopped up really good. About 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce, about 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. This is granulated chicken flavor soup base, granulated chicken soup base. So about 1 teaspoon of that for flavors. You can buy this from an Asian store right there. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it. So this is optional. And 1 stick of butter, and then of course I'm going to use the sriracha hot chili sauce. So going to go with that. I got a pot of water on the stove right now. It start to boil, and then I'm going to put the fava bean in. I'm going to cook the fava bean for about 3 minutes, and then drain out the water. Alright, the water is boiling, so just put the fava bean in. Cook about 3 minutes. Alright, now just scoop it out. It's about 3 minutes now, that's all we want. Okay. So just put the fava bean back, put the fava bean in the frying pan. Put in the butter. 1 stick of butter, a lot of butter. Put in the garlic, a lot of garlic. And now put in the granulated chicken flavor soup base mix for flavor, soy sauce, sesame oil, sriracha sauce. That's depending on how spicy you want. So the most, if you want really spicy, just put in a lot of sriracha sauce. That's done. Let's plate it up. So this is a very delicious spicy fava bean recipe. So just give it a try. Let's see how it tastes. It's pretty hot. So you eat the fava bean, you just eat the bean inside right here. The beans right there. Mmm. Very nice. Very tasty. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching.